In today's video, we'll do 4 breathing techniques, pranayamas, to bring your mind and your body at the highest capacity. And if you stick around with me for 21 days, you'll have a brand new body and a brand new mind. The benefits of these 4 miraculous pranayamas is on the body level, it'll help you lose weight. Second, on the energy level, it's going to help you balance the energies. And third, on your mind level, it's going to help you bring balance into your thoughts and see things with clarity. And make sure you stick around until the end of the video, because we'll give you a technique to make this pranayama technique 10 times more effective. So let's begin. The first one, my friend, is called Kapalbhati prana, or the breath of fire. This balances the fire element in your body, and it improves your metabolism and your digestion. And if you want more information on the breath of fire, please check out here. But let's begin with the breath of fire. You want to sit in a comfortable position. If cross-legged is very difficult for you, just sit in a chair just like this, keeping your spine straight, chin 15-degree angle, or just make it parallel. And now we're going to focus on exhale, 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 exhale. Let the inhale happen automatically. So let's begin. First, inhale fully. Bring the breath all the way into your belly. Exhale fully. Lean back. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Allow the breath to leave your body fully. Now inhale halfway. Exhale, exhale. Thirty more time. Ten more. Two and one. Exhale fully. Hold the breath out. Pull the diaphragm in. Engage the bandha, root chakra lock. Beautiful. Now inhale fully. Hold the breath in. Pull the perineum muscles up. Beautiful. Very slowly allow yourself to come back to your normal breathing. Close your eyes for 10-15 seconds. Allow yourself to acclimate with the energy. Beautiful, my friends. Now we get into the second set of Kapalbhati, or the breath of fire. We're going to go a little bit longer and a little bit faster. So come on to the comfortable position, seating. Relax your shoulder. Chin parallel. Inhale fully. Exhale fully. Empty your stomach, empty your chest. Inhale halfway. And now contract your stomach muscles. Little faster. Sixty more times. Thirty more times. 10 more times. Continue. Exhale fully. Pull the diaphragm up. Engage the bandha, root lock. Second bandha, solar plexus. Third, Jalandhar bandha. Now inhale fully. Hold the breath. Now engage the root lock. Allow the energies to come up. Amazing job. Allow the breath to come in and out normally. Sit in meditation for 15 seconds. Amazing, my friends. Second one we're going to get into is Anulom Vilom Pranayama, or alternate nostril breathing, to balance your brain, to balance your brain hemisphere and balance your masculine and feminine energies. So we come into Vishnu Mudra, bring the thumb to cover the right nostril, bend the second and the third finger. We cover the right nostril with the right thumb and inhale from the left nostril first. Hold. Exhale right. Inhale right. Hold the breath. Exhale left. Inhale left. Hold. Exhale right. Inhale right. Hold. Exhale left. Inhale left. Holding the breath. Pull the perineum muscles up. Exhale right. Inhale right. Hold. Exhale left. Inhale left. Last one, hold. And exhale right. Amazing job. Sit in meditation for 15 seconds and allow the body to acclimate with the new energies. Beautiful. Now we're going to take this energy we built, cultivated, and bring it up towards the chest. So third one, we're going to engage in Bhastrika Pranayama, or Bellows breath. So see if you can engage your chest area. You're going to inhale fully, exhale fully, but inhale and exhale in your chest. So let's begin. Inhale rapidly. Inhale and exhale, both are active processes. So inhaling, exhale. Faster. Ten. And one. Amazing. Close your eyes. pull the perineum muscles up, sit in meditation. Amazing job. And if you're feeling dizzy, my friends, this is good because now you know that energy is already traveling up your spine. Perfect. Let's do the second round. Bhastrika, inhale. Ten, 9, and 1. Close your eyes. Focus on the breath. Pull the perineum muscles up. Engage the root chakra lock. Amazing job, my friends. So we end this practice with none other than the humming bee breath. So all the energy we have cultivated, now we're going to use that to reset our whole endocrine system, reset all the hormones in our bodies. So bring your palms just like this. Bring your finger, index finger, ring finger on your eyes. Cover the bridge of your nose with your long finger and rest your pinky finger on your lips. Very important. Push the protruding part of your ear with your thumb. And if you need more information on Brahmari Pranayama, check out this video. But let's begin. Taking a big inhale. Exhale. Close your eyes, sit in meditation as long as you like. So in the beginning of the video, we mentioned to make this pranayama 10 times more effective. And my friends, the technique is Kumbhaka, the retention of the breath. So when you're doing Anulom Vilom, you're holding the breath, and as you hold the breath, you're pulling your perineum muscles up and relaxing. Up and relaxing. Up and relaxing, just like this speed. And again, when you're doing your Brahmari Pranayama, you're also using your perineum muscles to keep pumping the energy up, relax. Up, relax. This is also called Ashwini Mudra or Horse Mudra. So try this out and let us know in the comment section, where are you in your journey of pranayama or breathing? So my friends, I hope you got a little benefit from this video. If you did, make sure you share this video with your friends, with your family, so they can get benefits too. Until next time, make sure you subscribe, like. Namaste, peace and love.